Malaysia tech stocks have been on fire for the past 6 weeks with handsome return. So is it too late to start buying the tech stocks now? In this video, I'm going to share with you the top 3 best performing stocks that in Malaysia tech sector that will potentially even outperform the rest of the stocks in the tech sector. So let's get started now. So the first stock that I'm going to share with you is DNO. So you can see that DNO has been on a straight uptrend for quite some times. So just prior to this uptrend, there is a very strong accumulation structure. So that has been going on for years. You can see that all these are the accumulation structures going from about 50 cents to probably $1. And this is a sign of strength rally, the best rally within this trading range, and subsequently followed by this backup action, and then the rest is the history. We have seen this acceleration to the upside, followed by a reaccumulation, and then followed by some kind of the absorption, and then eventually a speculation run up. So this is quite amazing stocks, especially with this type of the momentum involved as well. So during the past week, like the past few trading days, we have witnessed the market correction, and usually quite a lot of the stocks have been corrected for quite a few days. But take a look at this. So this is the correction on DNO. So it did correct it for probably 2 days, and on last Thursday it actually formed a hammer, and on Friday it started the breakout. So this is indeed probably outperformed every stocks or even the market as well. And take a look at the volume as well. So during this correction, the past 2 days, especially these two red day, the black day, you can see that the pullback comes with relatively low volume, and also with the hammer involved, that with the spike of this volume suggested the spike of the demand, with the aggressive demand coming in. And this is this confirmation on Friday, which is a breakout. So it is just one of the few stocks that initiated a breakout to all-time high in the past few days. So the green boxes that I draw up here are the support area. So usually for this kind of the breakout, I tend to wait for a reaction or a simple pullback. So anything that within this green box can be quite a nice long entry. So otherwise, if there is a deeper pullback, this will be the second support area. So depending on your strategy, so the conservative stop will be just below this support area. Alright, so next stop will be UNISEM. So UNISEM is quite a expensive stock. It's about 9 ringgit. So you can see that it has been trending up very nicely, and there is a running up and followed by a reaccumulation, and then another acceleration to the upside, followed by another accumulation as well. And eventually we have seen a similar pattern, and currently is also breaking out to the all-time high level. So usually what I tend to want to see is during this pullback, how deep is the pullback. Look at this. This is a acceleration to the upside, a sign of strength rally, and the pullback is really shallow. So this type of the shallow pullback suggested that the supply is very limited, and it's also reflected in the volume as well. So compared to ton of the volume right there, so during this pullback, volume is very low, and during the last 2 trading days, we have seen a pickup of the volume as well, such as the aggressive demand coming in and push a price up and initiated this kind of the breakout signal. So this is a very bullish type of the stocks, similar to DNO. So this is one of the few stocks that initiated breakout on the past 2 trading session to all-time high level, especially given that the market is correcting. So you can see that the 2 green boxes that I've drawn up, so similar to the DNO scenario, what I like to wait is some type of the pullback into the support area, or if there's a deeper pullback, maybe this is a very obvious support area as well, with a stop just below this support area, so maybe 8 ringgit. Okay, So the last stock that I'm going to show you is a relatively cheap stock, or a penny stock, used to be. So VIS. So VISDYNAMICS Holdings is used to be a penny stock. You can see that is just probably below 1 ringgit. So about 30 cent to 75 cent. Has been consolidating for quite some time. And during this tech sector run up, so it actually just in line with the whole run up. In fact, it just outperformed the whole sector as well. So take a look at this run up. So this is the sign of strength rally, and followed by an apex formation as a consolidation or a reaccumulation. And subsequently, once it's breaking out, there is a sign of the absorption process, and then further it just keep breaking out to all-time high level. So during the past 1 week, the past few trading sessions, we have seen that the market correction started, and quite a lot of the stock get hit very badly. Take a look at this correction. So VIS did follow the whole market and also the rest of the stocks as well, but look at the magnitude of the correction. It's kind of relatively shallow, and the volume or the supply level is relatively low as well, suggested that the supply has been held by a strong hand. So I just speculate that there will be another wave up. If there is a reversal type of signal, you can just overcome this and then break out to the all-time high level now. So the boxes that I just draw out in green right there is actually the support area. So anything just within these boxes could become a nice long entry. Otherwise, just wait for some type of the breakout signal, and you can enter long with a stop just below this support area. This is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. So if you'd like to learn more on how to increase your winning rate, definitely check out the video that showed up on the screen right now, and do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also to get my weekly exclusive content for the trading or investing ideas for free. So the link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. I will talk to you soon.